Okay, hi everybody, this is another video. I am using Onshape today. Let's learn how to make 3D curves and make this shape. Okay, let's start. Okay, we'll make a new document. Okay, so let's make a box. And we're gonna draw a rectangle any size, accept, and we go extrude. Let's bring that up around that much and accept. Alright, so to make a 3D curve, we're gonna start with a 2D curve. So we sketch on this face. Alright, we're gonna use the curve tool. Let's use Bezier. I like that one better. Alright, so I am just gonna draw this arch. Alright, we accept that. Alright, so if you go to curve tools, you go edit curve, this allows you to modify in 3D. So if you click on the point, you can actually move it anywhere in 3D. We'll make it slightly go in and move it how you like. Alright, so on here you can change degree, change the number of control points, and there's a set dimensions on how far you move it from the original point. So that's helpful for if you want to be more specific. Alright, let's just do this side as well and use a loft on it so you can see that you can use other tools with this curve. Alright, so double click to complete. And let's do that again. So we've got a 2D curve here, and then we go to this button here, it's in edit curve. Alright, now we can modify into 3D here. You can go up, down, left, right, drag the arrow where you want to go, and let's accept that. And then let's use boundary blend to see that this curve is actually like a regular curve now, and we can use other tools with it. Actually, we'll stay with this side. Alright, there you go. So that makes the shape we have, and we can close this off with the boundary blend again. And cap that off. And let's hide these. Alright, there you go. Let me know if you have any question. Hope that is useful. Have a great day, everybody.